Ain't got really feel me. Jealous. Jealous. Say what? Dirty South. Here we go. Ain't got really feel me. Baby girl. East Coast. West Coast. Can you feel this dirty South? Dirty, dirty. Ain't got really feel me.
Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be trying out viral TikTok recipes with my son Makai. And the first one we're gonna try are the sour pickle balls right here. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna do a challenge. Whoever eats the sour pickle balls first will win $5. And I know I'm gonna win, so let's get started. This is how it looks. Ooh, thanks. I'm nervous. It's bigger. Yeah, get this one. Oh my gosh, I feel like I need some water. Okay. Ooh, it smells like vinegar, pickles, and dill. Okay, ready, set, go. I don't know if I can do this.
Whoa.
Okay, so what you gonna say?
I won. It was easy. I just had to hold it in my mouth.
Yeah, but you still didn't eat it. That was disgusting. It tasted gritty, sour, nasty, and look at our tongues. That was disgusting. So I don't know. Whoever wants to try this challenge, just know these are disgusting. And the next recipe we're gonna do are air fryer Oreos. I'm excited about this, so let's get started. Okay, so for this next recipe, we're gonna make the air fryer Oreos. You only need 3 ingredients. You need Oreos, crescent rolls, and powdered sugar to put on the top. So what you do is you're gonna roll out the crescent rolls. And they're already cut into squares, but you're gonna cut them one more time. You're basically gonna cut the square in half. Put it in the center and just fold the crescent roll over. Let me get closer. You're gonna fold it over like this. And I'm gonna pop these in the air fryer on 350 for 5 minutes. Let's see what we have. Look at these, they look so good. That was so quick. Let's try it. Looks so good. So the air fried Oreos are done. Let's taste them. I'm excited. They smell so good. Smell it.
Smells good.
Alright, so try one. Go ahead. And these are so easy and quick to make. Ready, set, go. It's good. I like it. I thought it would be really sweet, but it's not. It's busting. You taste the croissant with a hint of chocolate. busting. It was good. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. So what would you give this? A 1 out of 5. 5 being the best.
Yeah, 5. 5 out of 5.
And I would give it a 5 out of 5. Oh, we didn't rate the sour pickle balls.
Can I rate it a 0?
Yeah. I would give that a 0 too. That was disgusting. But these are good. I'm about to eat some more.
3 days later.
Okay, for this third recipe, I'm going to be making cinnamon roll waffles with this mini waffle maker. And then I'm going to make breakfast sandwiches out of them. Egg, bacon, and cheese breakfast sandwich. Then you just take one of the rolls, put it in the middle, squeeze it down, open it, and you have a mini waffle. Okay, these are the sandwiches. Let's get ready to try them out. They look good. So it's a few days later. Let me see it, push it back. So the cinnamon roll waffles are done and we made breakfast sandwich, egg, bacon, and cheese. I already gave you a close up, but now it's the taste test. You ready to try it?
Yeah.
I like it. Look at some. What would you rate it?
10.
Oh, 1 out of 5.
5.
Let me see. I need to try it again. So hard. I like it. Picasso. You heard that on TikTok?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I did.
I would give it a 4. It's not bad. It's like a step up from a regular breakfast sandwich. The cinnamon roll, the cinnamon and the icing flavor gives it a different kick. So I would give it a 4. And the next meal, the next recipe we're trying is the ramen. Is it ramen or ramen?
Ramen.
I say ramen. What did I say? Ramen. Yeah, ramen. Seafood.
That's a name. Yeah, not food. That's her name.
Well, I say ramen. He says ramen. Comment below, what do y'all call it? So next we're gonna make ramen seafood bowl. So stay tuned. Okay, so for the seafood bowl ramen noodles, what you're gonna do is take unsalted butter, melt it in your pan, add all of these seasonings, and then you're gonna cook the noodles separately, and then you're gonna pour the sauce over top and add shrimp, boiled eggs, and sausage. I'm using beef sausage. So let's get started. Noodles are done. Look at that. Time to try. Okay, so let's get ready to try the seafood ramen noodles. It smells good. Oh, you want to show them? Okay, let's dig into it. I like it. It reminds me of the seafood. I make the seafood bowl.
Yeah.
So 1 out of 5, what would you give it? I would give it. You want to go first, Sonia?
I'll give it 4.
I'm gonna say it for as well. To me, it tastes better than regular noodles. When you cook it the regular way, it tastes better. What you think? You like it this way or the regular way?
This way.
Oh yeah, me too. So out of all the recipes you tried, which one was your favorite?
The air fryer Oreos.
Yeah, I would say so too. That was like that was a 5 out of 5. That was really good. And the sour pickle balls were 0. It was the bottom. So let us know if you tried any of these recipes, or if you'll try any of them. And please rate, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.
Ain't got really